Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I wanted to talk about LIVENT. This is actually a lithium play on Robinhood. And again, this is called LIVENT. Ticker is LTHM. So I'm sure you can guess what this one's all about just by the ticker. This is what it's kind of done here in the last 3 months. Just been kind of up and down, 16 to 23. Back down to 18. So this one's kind of up and down, and it's just been kind of on a downhill in the last 3 months. In the last month, it's been kind of the same way. Could have bought the dip here like everything else on the 4th and the 5th. And this is kind of what it's done here on the last week, kind of going down again. But again, this is LIVENT. It's in the production and performance of lithium compounds. Its products include battery-grade lithium hydroxide, butyllithium, and purity lithium metal, which are used in various performance applications. It operates through the following geographical segments: North America, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, Latin America, and Asian Pacific. The company was founded in 2018 and headquartered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So again, right here in the United States. $2.42 billion market cap and kind of small volume on this one. Not the greatest ratings. It shows it as a hold right now. But again, I don't give tech, legal, or trading advice. A lot of these lithium plays, I look at them for the long term, so if you were looking to hold this one, the hold ratings really wouldn't matter all that much. So, but again, this is 29% rating here on Robinhood, and 50% of analysts rate LIVENT as a hold. So, but this has some more information here. Is a lithium technology company that powers lives from the revolution in electric vehicle batteries, and that's what lithium is all about. That's why I look at lithium, just thinking about the future and trying to get ahead of the curve, I guess, going up. So a lot of these are going to go up because of the electric vehicle batteries to the handheld devices that connect us. So everybody's got a cell phone, everybody's got products with some type of a battery in it. To the strong, lightweight alloys and advanced polymers used in aircraft, athletic footwear, and other applications, we move the world forward. LIVENT meets the most demanding technical requirements, which comes from our industry-leading material science expertise, fully integrated, high-quality supply of lithium, and passion for listening. U.S. looks to Canada for minerals to build electric vehicles. This just kind of goes over how the U.S. government is working to help American miners and battery makers expand into Canada, part of the strategy to boost regional production of minerals used to make electric vehicles and counter Chinese competitors. The Department of Commerce held a closed-door virtual meeting with miners and battery manufacturers to discuss ways to boost Canadian production of EV materials, according to documents seen by Reuters. And again, this just kind of continues to go on. The need to act now to build a U.S.-Canada EV supply chain, much like Europe has been doing and Asia has already done, according to a second source who attended the meeting. So this just kind of goes over how we're trying to get ahead of the supply and mining projects for the EV and the wave of EVs around the corner that's going to need batteries. U.S. seeking to boost electrical vehicle materials production in Canada, and this is just another look at it. But anytime you search for lithium, you're going to come across these, and so just kind of an interesting article. 5 Canadian mining companies to watch as the United States looks north for EV battery minerals. And what happened? Tesla. I just covered Talof yesterday, and we're talking about LIVENT now. We're among the 30 EV and battery manufacturers, in addition to mining companies, who met virtually with the United States Department of Commerce on Thursday, according to a report by Reuters. The group discussed how to boost the production of Canadian battery minerals. Canada currently mines 13 of the 35 minerals needed to produce EV batteries. First week of LIVENT, May 21st, options trading. So if you're looking to get into this one and also do options, this might be another option to get into the options. So it might be another way for you to make money. But the put contract at the $17.50 strike price has a current bid of $2.30. If an investor was to sell to open the put contract, they are committing to purchase the stock at $17.50, but will also collect the premium, putting the cost basis of the shares at $15.20 before broker commissions. To an investor already interested in purchasing shares of LIVENT, they could represent an attractive alternative to paying $17.64 per share today. And this just kind of goes over a little bit more information about if you're going to trade the option on it. So feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Back to Reddit. So much where lithium price has stayed strong 18 days ago. So with a lot of these, like Albemarle, Lithium Americas Corp, and LIVENT, they're kind of up and down from day to day, sometimes hour to hour. As I showed you on the graph when we first started, it's a great play on the EV, and I look at them all as being a great play on EVs. I've went over a couple penny stocks and a couple lithium stocks here on Robinhood. Another one is this PLL. I've done a video on that one here in the past couple days, and Albemarle Fuel Cell I've covered a couple times. So a lot of people are bullish on a lot of these lithium plays. So many times it was down 6.7 during the trading day and held the same day's market close. 56% of the time you would have made a positive return. And that's pretty interesting. So if you're looking at these long-term hold like I am, it always pays to buy the dips. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's just kind of how I do it. And eventually, if you hold them long enough, you'll be in the green with them. So, or you should actually stay in the green with a lot of these if they're going up. Top pick base metal ahead of copper, which will see mine supply growth over the next 1 to 2 years outpace strong demand, while the nickel outlook turns more bearish. Cobalt and lithium remain near the top of our preference list on the strength of the rebound in demand for both EVs and electronics. And I've been looking into nickel, cobalt, and been covering a lot of lithium stocks here lately and just trying to get ahead of that curve. Back to tip ranks. So right now, 1634 is what Robinhood shows also. So 1632 here on tip ranks. And they're given a price projection of 1975 and a moderate buy. high of 24, low of 14. So that is all that I have for LIVENT. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis. That would be interesting to know. And also leave your favorite lithium play. That would be interesting to know as well. And if there's any other lithium stocks you want me to cover, I would be happy to take a look at those. Again, if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.